Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications as we upload one new recipe every day. Today's recipe is a chocolate lover's delight and it is chocolate French toast. So why wait? Let's get started and check out the ingredients. I've taken a whole loaf so I can cut whatever thickness, the size of the bread I want. It's almost an inch thick. If you don't have a whole loaf, if you can't find one, never mind, you can just use a sliced loaf. So for the mix, I'm using 3 eggs, half cup of chocolate milk, 2 teaspoons of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, half teaspoon cocoa powder. Whisk everything together. Make sure everything is well combined. Next, I'm going to pour a little bit of the egg mixture into the plate. Place the slice on the mixture. Leave it there for a couple of seconds for the bread slice to absorb it. Flip it over. We're going to start making the toast. Add a little butter to the pan. So now just place the toast on the pan and we're going to make the French toast. So gently flip it over to the other side. The chocolate French toast is done. So repeat the same process for all the other slices. Next, I'm going to make the chocolate ganache. For this, I'm taking half cup of fresh cream, 100 grams of dark chocolate. This is dark sweetened chocolate. Keep the flame on low and gently mix it till the chocolate is completely melted. Turn off the stove. The ganache is ready. So there you go. You've seen how to make this rich chocolate French toast. Now I'm sure you can't wait to make this. So definitely go get the bread, get the chocolate and start making your French toast. You can buy my online Indian cooking classes on 21frames.in/classes.